Tutorial how to add a link to an image. As you can see, I'm in my website builder of Lalila and I'm going to the page that I want to add the link on the image. As you can see, this is different logo companies. So I say, why not to add a link in every image, in every logo. So this is super easy. You click on the image and you're going to click on edit image, and the third emoji, it's a chain. It says a link. You're gonna click on it, and as you can see, this is super cool because you can add different components. So here you can redirect. If your user click on the image, they can go to a different page on your website, or he can go to a website, external website. That's what we are going to do. Or it could be a pop-up, or it could be a file, to download a file when you click on the image. So this is the Lalilala logo. So I'm going to add the Lalilala link, and that's pretty much. Then you click on save link, and that's it. That's how you link a website link or a page to an image.